Darren Palm'er
He's on his
is
way.
on his way to the block.
No, not that Darren Palm'er. This Darren Palm'er. A 6-metre Mexican fan palm.
We are very excited to get
We
this
can't
tree in
wait.
the ground.
This has been in the making for so long.
Yep.
It certainly has. So here's the 25 words or less version. In week 2, a friendly neighbour offered them the tree.
We're getting rid of a palm tree.
Oh my gosh.
There she is.
After checking it out with their landscaper, Jimmy and Tam held a body corp to get permission to move it before front garden week.
How do you get a unanimous yes?
Don't tell them all the facts.
I tell them everything.
If we don't get it into our front yard now, the tree's going to die.
Yes from us.
From us.
Then yesterday, a gas main nearly derailed the entire operation.
It might even be abort mission.
But now Darren Palm'er is on his way back to the block.
That side's tight.
How rubble to watch that out?
Yeah, he'll come back.
Nearly. OK, that's the 128-word version, but you get the idea.
Can't swing it around. The crane's probably a little bit too wide and a bit too big. So we'll get this crane out and bring the new one in.
5 minutes later.
That looks way better. Logistically, it was a bit of a nightmare, just trying to get the right way to do it and the safe way to do it. We didn't want to take any risks.
Now, is the move of this palm tree worth it?
It's so worth it. Have you seen that palm tree? Oh my goodness. Hold your donkeys.
It's going to make the front of our house look amazing.
That's beautiful.
Big tree.
Yeah, I think everyone was actually a little bit blown away by how big it was.
Yeah.
I didn't expect it to be that big. Luke, what are you looking at? A massive palm tree. Holy.
In the body corporate that we called, we didn't actually specify too much about the tree.
Check it out. Massive.
I don't feel like it was explained to be that large and whatnot. We were just told it was a tree that needed to be transported.
Nobody
asked
That's
about
right.
Darren Palm'er. No one seemed that interested.
So no one asked you any questions about what you're doing in any detail?
None at all. No, it was amazing, and thank you.
Yeah, thanks for that, guys. And then when they saw it coming in, I think they were like, oh,
What have we agreed to?
what have we done?
Happy?
Yeah, I just can't wait to see it in.
Oh, la-di-da. Getting a big fat palm tree.
Yes.
And so they're happy. Did you pay them anything for it, or just happy if you come and remove it and take it away and keep it
Well,
alive?
it's costing us a lot to get it removed.
How much do you reckon they paid for their tree?
Oh, geez, that tree, I'd be worth at least $60,000.
60,000?
Yeah.
That's all their budget gone, I reckon. 15 grand.
It would have paid something for that tree. Apparently you pay, it's $1,000 a metre.
They paid a big fat zero.
Just to be clear, Jimmy and Tam paid a big fat zero for the tree, but did pay for the costs of moving it.
The overall cost of getting this here? About $1,700. Yeah, just
What
for the
about
crane.
Hoppo and all
Oh, and the landscapers. So I haven't got their invoice yet. There'll be a bit in there. So
Yeah.
probably around $3 grand.
Yeah, $3 grand.
Yeah. So I mean, it hasn't been a completely free exercise. It's still going to cost us some money, but
Yeah.
I mean that tree is priceless.
It's beautiful, luscious, like Darren Palm'er's hair. Look at it, beautiful.
So much luck, these two. Oh, we just met a neighbour who wants to get rid of a beautiful palm tree.
Don't bother me. I've got a beautiful oak tree now, our place, so I'm okay. And to be honest, I'll be honest with you, this is Brighton. How many of those trees do you see
of those you see in the streetscape?
Shots fired.
Pretty close now, mate.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good, eh?
What do you think people think about your tree?
Well, apparently it's not Brighton. Oh, I just heard on the grapevine that someone may have said that my palm tree's not Brighton enough.
What happened? What did you hear? I didn't hear this. What did you hear?
Harry told someone that our palm tree doesn't fit in Brighton.
That's not very Brighton.
Palm trees don't belong in a beachside suburb. Huh? What?
Oh.
Does it belong in Brighton, Harry?
I don't think it belongs. I don't think, as my opinion, I don't think it's a tree that you would see in many Brighton homes.